Thank you. I'll remember that for tomorrow.
Yes.
That's what your name is.
Oh, no, you have to smile.
Smile.
That photo is not going to be nice.
That's lovely. That's lovely.
Are they blowing out ones?
Well, we'll find out.
That was funny. I got that. Do it again.
The more you blow them, the more they...
They light back up again.
What's that hair? I can get fit doing this.
We hope this
Every week.
we hope the smoke alarm's not working, Charlie.
Ah.
Oh my god. Heart attack over this direction.
Now we can all have a piece of your birthday cake.
It's just a little
Now
cake.
Connor can put them all together and put them in a can and blow it up.
Thank you.
Anyone like a little cupcake or just maybe a shared half?
We'll try it. I don't know now.
I don't know.
Do you want a whole one or would you like to share?
Beautiful.
You don't want any of one?
They're pretty
Would you like,
rubbery, those.
Bessie, I'll go half with you.
They've got to go back.
It'll be the silicone.
I can't get it out of the
Very
Yeah,
close.
they
So,
Would you
Awkward.
like to go half?
yes, I do, please. I've got a knife down here.
Yep, there you go.
Sure.
You and Sean going to go halves, Mum?
Yeah, we